Welcome to another video tutorial on AMPcms. This video tutorial is on our File Repository module. The File Repository module is a place that you can find all the files that have been uploaded to your site. This could be images, PDFs, or other documents. You can delete the files by checking off the files you want to delete, and then with the selected drop-down box, choose Delete. Keep in mind that deleting any files in the file repository may remove them from the front end of your website. It's best to delete files only if it's truly necessary. If you delete your files from your website, there is no failsafe, so you won't be able to revert back. Instead, you'll have to re-upload your files. If the file name is the same, it should reappear on your website. However, if you're uploading a file that has a different file name, you'll need to reattach it to your content. The columns will show you what type of file it is, the size of the file. If it's an image, it'll show you the width and height in pixels, and the date that you added it or modified it. You can also re-embed the image or file on your website. To do this, you want to click on the embed link. From here, you can copy the relative URL. Then you can go to the content you want to add it to. This could either be your blocks, blog, or your pages module. Any module that has a text editor that allows you to add an image, you can add this URL to the text editor to include the image. For more details on adding the images to the text editor, you'll want to view the text editor video tutorial. If you want to allow an external site to include your image, you'll want to give them the full path. If you want to force the file as a download, you can use the Embed as Download option. Copying this code, you can go to your text editor and use the Embed button to paste in the code. If you're looking for specific files, you can search for them in the search box. Here I found my checklist PDF. I can access the files by clicking directly on the link. I can either open it in my computer or save it to the computer I'm on. Your browser may show this pop-up message differently. This is very useful if you need to access certain files anywhere you have the internet access. This also makes it a great tool for you to upload your company files, or any files that you want your employees to be able to access them. This way they can access them from home or on the road. You can add in new files by going to the Upload option at the top. Here you can browse your computer for a file, click on it, and if it's an image, you can have the choice to resize the image. By default, the max size is 300 pixels. This is about 3 inches. If the image is under 3 inches, it won't be resized. Click on the Upload button to add it. Once the file has been uploaded successfully, you'll see it in your list. If you need to update a file, whether it's an image or a PDF, you can upload a file with the same name. As long as the name is the same, you'll be asked if you want to overwrite the file. This is the best option if you want to update your file without having to re-embed it on your website. That way, if your file is being used on multiple pages of your website, you'll only have to update it in one place. There are no limits on how many files you can upload, but the accumulated file size must be within your hosting limits. If you want to allow other users to have access to the file repository, it's a good idea to remove the Delete option from their permissions. This way other users can't accidentally delete files. So that concludes the video tutorial on the file repository. Thanks for watching.